Hello there and welcome to Linux Chess 2, and in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to change GNOME lock screen background on Ubuntu 20.04. So this is the default look of the GNOME lock screen. So let me just log into my system. And by default there is no option available to change the lock screen background. So if you go to the settings and go to the background section, you will not find any option to change the lock screen background. And you can also use the tweak tool, and in tweak tool there is an option for the lock screen image, but if you change the image from here it doesn't work because the application is not up to date, I think. So how we can change the background of the lock screen? There is a guy who built a little shell script, and that is what we are going to use to change the background. So you need to head on to this Pratap Kumar repository link, and this is on GitHub. From here you need to download this shell script, and for that you can simply click on this code button here and click on download zip. Click save. So I have downloaded this shell script from here. I can simply extract it. This is the shell script. Now we need to execute this shell script. Let's see whether it is executable or not. So you will see this tick mark over here. If you do not see, then simply click on it and this will become an executable shell script. Now what you want to do, you just right click and open the terminal. Now if you hit the ls, you will see the shell script and it should be green. Now we need to execute this shell and we need to add a parameter of set. So for that just type sudo / and the script name, that is focal cdm. Now pass the -- set parameter, hit enter. It will ask for the password. Hit again. Now this is saying that the glib2 is not installed. So what we have to do, we have to install this library as well. So for that just copy the name from here and type the installation command. Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the copied name, hit enter, and this should install the required library. So the library has been installed. Now let's execute that command again. Now this is asking for your permission. Do you want to proceed or not? So we can type yes, we want to proceed. Now this is asking whether you want to set an image or a color. So first we are going to set an image, then we will change the color as well. For that just type 1 and hit enter. Now this is saying you have to specify the name of the image with its path. So we have to check the path of the image. For example, if I go in my downloads folder, I have this image of Uma Thurman, and I can simply go to the properties and I can see this is the path. The home directory, my username, this would be different. In your case, the downloads folder, image name. So I'm going to copy the path from here. I'm going to paste the path, and I'm also going to copy the name of the file, that is Uma Thurman. You can also type here directly .jpeg. Do not make any mistake, hit enter, and this should print a success message over here. Now let's reboot the system and see whether it has applied the image to the login screen or not. And we need to reboot because it is recommended. So I'm just going to hit the reboot command here. Now as you can see, the background of the lock screen has been changed, and you can click on your name and type in the password and you can log in. We can also set a color, a solid color. So let's set a solid color. So we will follow the same procedure. Now before going to the color, I want to go to this website. This is website for the material colors, and here you can choose the material solid colors. So we cannot say red, we have to specify a hex value of the color. So let's say we want to specify this color, and for that we have to copy the hex value from here. So this is a hex value, so just copy any value from here. So I'm going to set this blue color. Execute that shell script again. So here's the shell script. Let me execute it. Now we will choose 2 because we have to select the color. Now we can specify the color hex value over here. So I'm going to paste that value that I copied earlier. I'm going to hit enter, and this is saying it has been set successfully. Let's reboot again. As you can see here, the color has been applied to the background, and now I can log in easily. So this is how you can change the lock screen background in Ubuntu 20.04. I hope you find this video interesting. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.